Tired of tossing and turning all night long? Improving your sleep quality can be a game changer. Here are 3 ways to get better sleep. Firstly, keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Invest in comfortable bedding and a supportive mattress. Avoid using electronic devices before bedtime to reduce blue light exposure. Secondly, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to wake up and go to bed around the same time every day. Lastly, practice deep breathing exercises or progressive muscle relaxation. Meditation, yoga, and aromatherapy can also be effective. If you're still having trouble sleeping, talk to your doctor about solutions. Getting better sleep is a process, but with some consistent effort, you'll be on your way to better rest.